fast, but I think you did really, really well. But because an interview is not only one-sided, is there any questions that you have prepared for your future employer that you would like to ask them today?
Not really this moment.
That's okay, it's not a problem. Thank you, Amos.
Thank you.
Thanks,
Have a nice
Amos.
day.
You too.
Thanks.
Amos. All right, Brian.
I'm right.
So Amos immediately said that I was dismissed from my previous job. How do you feel about candidates being so brutally honest?
So it depends on candidate because sometimes they don't tell you. But then we will pick it up when we do reference checks. It is important for them to be honest because we also do pre-employment polygraph testing. And these questions come up. And if they fail their polygraph, we do not consider them for employment at all.
Lovely.
All right, well,
I'm right manje.
confident.
Yeah, confident.
Khona ezinye insizwa kahle.
Ngizoshaye leza.
Okay, Amos, ngizokuphinda ukubone ne?
Sibonga.
Sharp.
Why have you got such a strict interview process?
Well, for me, it's important to choose the correct candidate. I choose candidates based on the client's requirements, obviously. And I think a very big thing is to make sure that the candidate doesn't have any criminal records. You don't want to be employing a criminal to protect a client's premises or their property. So I think that is very important. That is the first thing we do, is do a background check.
Officially, the show is open. Right now, we are going straight to our second candidate. Check this out.
My name is Gabriel Nkoskona Molefe, all the way from Mutu. That's my hometown.
Ngathi uthukile.
No, relax akumnandi.
Umnandi.
Yeah, kakhulu 100.
So when I finished my my matric in 2016, be ke sana plana gore ke ka tswela pele ka dithuto tsa ka bo university. I had to hustle for a job.
Bongitshela ukuthi awusebenzi khona manje.
Yeah,
Ama weekends unokuhereza lapho nalapho wenzani?
Okay, currently since iSpani singahlangani ne.
Yeah.
Mina ngizimashisela ama perfume.
By that time, there was only one person who was working in the family. So I had to find a job so that I can assist my sister. And then time goes by, guys, security, because that was the fastest thing I can do.
Uzizwa already.
What I can say, I'm so discoverly promotionalized ngokuba la mfowethu. Yangijabulisa kakhulu la.
Yeah.
Haka thola Spanish is a high zone. I have a lot in my mind. The first thing I want to do is to start the business.
Yazini, ngena ngaphakathi.
Awuthi ngibasondele. Yeah.
Thank you, boy.
Hola,
Good
hola,
luck,
hola.
Ntwana.
Ikse.
Hello, Gabriel.
Hi, how are
Welcome.
you?
Please have a seat in the chair.
Okay, thank you very much.
You look very handsome today.
Thank you. You look so beautiful.
Are you excited to be here?
Very, very excited.
Very excited.
Yeah.
Are you feeling a little bit nervous?
No, I'm not feeling any nervous, but I'm happy. I'm sorry for being here. It's the first time, and like it's an opportunity for me to
Lovely.
express myself, to show people who I am, where I'm from, why am I here.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm.
Perfect. Why a security guard? Why do you want to be a security guard?
Oh, the reason why I want to be a security guard, because I believe in myself that I can deliver the service that is needed to a security guard